Imagine a simple page like this, making you from $10,000 to $20,000 per month. You may have seen similar pages before, but you probably had no idea that they are actually a selling machine. And let me tell you a little secret. This is right now one of the most effective ways on how to make thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing products. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a simple page like this by yourself with no experiences, even as a complete beginner, and everything what I'm going to be showing you is going to be completely for free. And plus, I will show you what I would do if I would be starting as a complete beginner from zero and I want to make my first $1,000 with it. Because in fact, I already used this strategy in the past and made over $10,000 in commissions. Alright, welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Korsby, and in the last 4 years I went from broccoli student with 2 part-time jobs to now be able to travel the world and being a full-time online entrepreneur making from $20,000 to $50,000 per month. And this channel exists only because I want to be sharing with you just tested and proven strategies, so if you don't want to miss them, make sure that you're going to leave a like and don't forget to leave a subscribe. So first, let me show you how this simple page is actually generating $20,000 per month and how it works. So this is something what is called a quiz funnel. So if anyone is going to end up on this website, what they're going to do, they would just go through a simple questions like, for example, choose your gender. Are you a male or female? So I'm a male, probably. I'm in between 18 to 29. Then another question is, are you familiar with yoga? A little bit. Then there is a little bit of explanation, and it goes just like this. And you can see there is over 39 questions. So let me just get to the end. And after 1 minute of going through every single question inside, if I'm going to click on continue, what is going to happen? That this is going to create for me a specific plan. How can I lose weight with probably walking yoga? And as a next step, of course, they're going to ask for my email. And once I'm going to click on continue, what is going to happen? That there is going to be connected product that I can buy. So the reason why they're creating these simple quiz funnels is to get people interested through various questions. And once someone is going to spend 5 to 10 minutes answering the questions, and then they're going to receive a personalized plan how they can achieve their goal, of course, they are going to buy the product at the end. And that's exactly this one page is working like crazy. But now the question is, if anyone is going to create the quiz funnel and they will have the product at the end, how they're going to find the traffic or people interested in this quiz and in this product. And one of the strategies where people are using is to be running Facebook ads, as you can see right here. For example, under just lose a weight keyword, there is 49,000 running ads. So Meta is making some money. But here is what is interesting. If I'm going to open, those are the very first ads. If I'm going to open the carne meat ad, what I'm going to see, oh, they're also using a quiz funnel that looks very, very similar. Okay. If I will go back and I will open another ad, what is Noah Health, again, even they are using a quiz funnel. And if I will find another ad, what is from walking yoga that I was already running, oh, they're also using quiz funnel. And now the question is, if there are all these people running ads, that means paying to the Facebook, to the Meta, in order to get back traffic or people who could go into this quiz funnel, it's only because they're making more money than they are investing into the ads. Because why would you be paying for ads if you're not making any return? And why is everyone using quiz funnels? Well, for a simple reason, because they are one of the most effective strategies in the 2025 how to promote affiliate products. So now when you understand how all of this works, now let me show you step by step how you can find affiliate product that you can promote, how to create a quiz funnel completely for free, and also how to get traffic or people into this funnel without paying for ads or even showing your face. So let's get started with step 1. And for this, all that you need to do is just go to this website that is called clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is a worldwide affiliate marketplace where, as you can see, they already paid out 6.6 millions plus commission paid, where is going to be at least 50 to 60% from 6.6 billion. And if people made over $10 billion on clickbank.com, there is a chance that there is going to be a couple of dollars hidden for you as well. So to keep it short, clickbank.com is the website where you can find affiliate products that you can start promoting and connect it into the quiz funnel so that you have a higher chance of actually making money with it. So all that you need to do on a ClickBank, you just go into the start here, you go through, again, a simple questionnaire at the beginning of the registration process, but it's nothing difficult. You just finish it, you create your account on a ClickBank, and you get access into all the products. But then the place where you actually want to end up is this place, what is called ClickBank Marketplace. Okay, so what you can do on a ClickBank Marketplace is that you can find all of the offers from the ClickBank. So if I'm going to click on all, what I can see are all the categories of a products, like our business and investing, e-business and e-marketing, employment, jobs, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, languages, basically anything what you can think of, and all the subcategories that you can think of, it's here. So for example, let's say that you want to find a product that is going to be about relationships. You just go to self-help. You will find here dating guides, marriage and relationships. Okay, so whatever product you want in any category, you can just find it. But what I want to show you is how to set up similar quiz like these people are using, because this is already profitable, it's already making money, so why not use it as well? So let's look for a product that is going to be as similar as possible. So for that, I'm just going to look for health and fitness. So as you can see, health and fitness niche in ClickBank is one of the best-selling niches on the internet. And as you can see, there is over 500 products in health and fitness. So you can be scrolling through this and looking what is going to be the best product. But I was already looking behind the camera of what could be the best for it. And one of the greatest is the smoothie diet, because it's pretty much similar. It's very specific, like smoothie diet, very, very specific. But also, if you want to go for dietary supplement, you can just pick any products that you want, but I believe these two, the smoothie diet and the pelvic floor strong, are one of the best products right now, because with the 21-day smoothie diet, you can see the gravity score is 92, what means that right now there is 92 affiliates which are actually making money from this program, and you can make average commission of $21.66. So without you creating the product or doing anything with it, you are just making money just for promoting it. That's why I just love affiliate marketing. And also, if you opened affiliate page, what is this going to show us is that we can actually get 75% commission and earn over $100 per sale, because this statistics right here is only for a front end, what is like the first product, but there is something called also upsells, and for that reason, from just single customer, you can make over $100. So simple math, let's imagine that you want to make $3,000 per month. So what you need to do is to find 30 customers, what is one customer per day, and you are at $3,000 per month. And now when we find our affiliate offer, the next step, what we need to do is to create the quiz funnel. And what I'm going to show you is to how to create this quiz funnel just by using free tools and AI. And one of the tools that we are going to use is this one, what is called a System.io. What is System.io is all-in-one marketing platform on which specifically you can start building these quiz funnels. And what is the cool thing about it? That it's free forever and no credit card required if you want to start using it. So if you want to get started and follow along with System.io, then just go to the first link down below in the description. You can open it, create your account, and then create your quiz funnel. Once you click that button, all what you need to do is just click here with your email address, or just go to get my free account. You just get your email address and then you will have your account created. It's extremely simple. Then once you will sign up, you will end up inside of this interface, and what you need to do to create the quiz funnel is to go into the websites and then open sales funnels. Then click on the create, and in the name, let's just name it quiz funnel smoothie diet. Okay. Then also you are going to receive a default funnel domain. If you want to add a custom domain, you can do it, but you can also just use the custom one. And then I would just go to build an audience, because that's what we want to be doing. Keep the currency because we are not selling the product, so it's okay. Click on a save, and I just need to clean this a little bit. Then you just open it, and then in the next step, we can just pick one of the templates that you will like the most, but probably I'm just going to use this one because it has a really nice background. So let me just go to select, and now the only thing missing is to go to edit the page, and now I will end up inside of System.io page editor. Now, what I can do here is basically deleting everything. I can be adding some stuff from this left bar inside. Then I can go into the elements, and if I want to add a headline text, I can just place it somewhere where is a place for it, or just a text, or maybe also a video. So it's kind of a like drag and drop editor, and everything is just extremely simplified if you want to be making money with System.io. But what I want to do, if I want to build this funnel, at first I'm just going to delete everything what I don't need, what is everything. Because as you can see, these websites are extremely simple. There is nothing difficult, and that's what we want to create as well. So I'm just going to delete all of these elements, and I will just keep it extremely blank, just like this. Now we have two options. We can create a website like this, where is on the left side a headline, subheadline, and then there is starting of the quiz. Or we can create a second option where it's just a headline, some image at the top, and then it's starting again with a quiz. So to figure it out, we just want to find a survey, and if I'm going to place it here, you can see how the survey form actually looks like on Assistant.io. So a little bit different, and we probably couldn't create or build something like this. So the better option is to create a quiz like this. So what I will do at first, I'll just take the two columns, I'll just place it here, and then I want to start with a headline. At first, I will change the color to white one, so you can actually see it. And then we need to get a headline. So for a headline, what I'm going to do, the simplest way, I'll just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, recreate this headline for smoothie diet offer. Okay, place it here. And we will get the breakthrough smoothie diet that reverses aging and melts fat effortlessly. So that's what we actually need. So I'm just going to copy it. I'll place it here, increase the font size. Then once we have it, then the second step is going to be the sub-headline. So let's just copy that. Now I'm just going to send it to ChatGPT. Anka will already know what to do. Okay, so let's just copy that. It's smarter than we think. And then I want the sub-headline, place it here, change color to white one again, but I'm going to change it to headline 5, for example. Just going to a little bit move this. Okay, ooh, that looks good. Now I can actually increase the font here, size. Okay, it's looking good. And then I would just change a little bit of colors. So let's say it's going to be pink and boost metabolism. And this is going to be also pink. Okay. Then once we have this, I would just place two columns right here. And now what we want to use are buttons. Okay, so let me find the button. Okay, button. It's a finger. And once I'm going to change one of the buttons, then I want to create two buttons where one is going to be for male and second one is going to be for female. So I'm just going to click on it and I want to change here for female, or let's just change it to diet or. And then once we have both of the buttons, what we need to do is just add here an image. So just go to media, place an image right here. Then I want to go back to the smoothie diet and I want to look for affiliate page, and maybe there are going to be some images for me. So product images and banners, click to download. Let's see. Yep, I've been right. So let's just go and upload it. And after, it's going to look something like this. Now, this would be looking much better if it would be without the background, but because it's pretty simple, but I just don't want to be spending the time with it. But now, once you have this created, what you need to do is just go to the save changes. Then you want to go into the buttons and you want to change action when button is clicked is going to be next step URL, and same is going to be right here. Then you will go to save the changes, but we are not finished yet, because what we need to do as a next step, as you can see here, if anyone is going to click on one of these, then they're going to get redirected into the quiz funnel. So what we need to now build is the actual quiz. You want to click on add a step, and now we want to create a second page that is going to be right after the quiz. So let's just name it, for example, actual quiz. Okay, great name. And it's going to be a quiz page, okay, because we also will be asking for the email. So I will just go to save, and now for this one, can I just use a blank one? Probably no, so I'm just going to use, I don't know, this one. Go to select, and again, edit the page. I'm going to delete everything faster than you can imagine. And once I delete it, and then I want to go and find the actual survey, I want to place it in here, and now we want to build it. So what is going to be the building process of the survey is that we need to change the question, then there could be some subheadline of the question, and then there are answers. But first things first, this is kind of a too wide. So what I want to do, I just want to go to the margin, and left and right, let's just change it to 100, and still too big, so let's just go to 200 maybe even. Okay, and now to change the question, edit survey questions, and clicking on this we can start editing it. But now the question is, what questions should you add into your quiz, into your survey? And for that, again, we are going to use Uncle GPT. So the prompt is going to be, create for me a 7 questions quiz with 3 answers that will lead to an opt-in page and then a sale of smoothie diet product from ClickBank, because ChatGPT actually know every single ClickBank product, what is cool, and then act as a professional copywriter. So the quiz is pre-selling the customers for the offer, what is very, very important. And once I'm going to send it, we have also the optional headline that we can use, an optional sub-headline that we want to use. So also you can change it, you don't have to. But most importantly, we have the questions which are actually pre-selling the customers for the product, which is going to be at the end. And you can see all of these are just amazing. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to copy this. What is the question? Copy, go back to editor. Question is going to be here. Do we have a sub question? No, we don't have. So let me just delete this. And then we will just go go to A, almost never feel something, then B, copy, and then we will go to the C all the time, paste and add an answer. And then I will just go back. You can see the first question is already there. But now I don't really like how it looks like, so let me just edit it for a bit. And I want to create the entire design super simple, because the simpler it's going to be, the more people are actually going to finish the quiz. So this is how I create it. So how often do you feel sluggish or low on energy during the day? And they can just feel from almost never, I feel energetic most of the time, then second answer and third answer. And once I have the entire form, I just want to go to edit survey questions, and I want to be adding more and more questions. So we have the 7 questions, so I'll just add 7 of them. And then extremely simply, I'm just going to be copy and pasting all of these questions exactly as I did it before, because there is nothing extra to be working on this. So I will just add just these 2 questions, but for the purpose of this video, I won't be finishing it, but I will show you how you can actually use it. So what we need to do as a next step, as you saw in these previous quizzes, what is actually happening once someone is going to finish that quiz is that they will get redirected into the opt-in form. So they're collecting the email addresses. And of course, we want to do the same. So if you open the survey and we will go into the final step, what you can be doing is collecting the emails and collecting their names. So what I want to do right here, I want to go into the headline text. I want to edit here and add here, where should we send you the result of the quiz? Okay, and then what will people need to do is to add their email, their first name. Then I will go to the button. I will just add here this button as continue to the next step. We can also change the color. So in the background color, let's just go to this green one is actually nice. And this is ready. And once someone is going to finish this, what you can do is to go into the marketplace, and under the affiliate page, you can find the affiliate tools. And there are also email swipes, which you can add into automation inside of the system.io. So automatically you start promoting them again, the smoothie diet. But one more thing that you need to do is that once they are going to click this button, what you want to do is going to be action when button is clicked is going to be submit the form, so you can receive the email and first name. But then you want to redirect them into a custom URL, and the redirection URL, as you probably already guessing, is going to be your affiliate product. And look at that beautiful sun that is shining into my room. Let's do a little bit of a pause. Let me show you how it actually looks like in here. Woo! Beauty! And once it's ready, you just go to save to changes. And now let's test the entire flow. So the first thing that we need is this squeeze page. So let's just open this. And when people are going to end up on this page, they can just pick diet for men or diet for women. So let's just go for a man. And then we have all the questions. Someone is just going to answer all of this. And then at the end, there is going to be email and the first name. And once they're going to add the email and the first name and continue to the next step, what they're going to get is redirection for custom personalized plan for a smoothie diet. And once they're going to click, and then the flow just continues, they can buy the product, they can buy more products, and you're making money just for sending people into a simple page like this one that everyone who is running ads, what is right now one of the most effective ways how to make money from affiliate marketing. If you want to know what I'm doing to generate over $20,000 per month, completely without showing my face, without the YouTube, without any recording, anything like that, then make sure that you would check in the description my Faceless Profits Launch live training, where not just I'm going to give you some information and a course, but every single day for 5 days, 60 minutes sessions, I'm going to be sharing with you on a Zoom exactly step by step how I'm running my Faceless business and helping you in a close community, in a close group, set up the same exact business for yourself. This is not a course. This is something what I like to call the most affordable mentorship or coaching that you can find on the internet. So if that is something which you are interested in, the first link in the description is where you should look. But now, when I explained you how to create this entire quiz funnel and how does it work, the next step what you will need is to generate people or traffic into this quiz so people can go into the product, make a purchase, and you can make affiliate commissions. But going deeper into the traffic just wouldn't make sense because I have already created so many different videos on how to be generating traffic. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to link you down below in the description, which are going to be divided into completely for free and the easiest ones, then free traffic that takes a little bit longer but is more automated, and third one is going to be completely automated way with AI. But what is most important for you, that you have now set up a selling system that is proven to work, that people are already using all around the globe, and you can simply recreate it following this tutorial, then just generate the traffic and start making affiliate commissions. Because the system system you are using is the most important. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you are going to leave a like, and if you want to see more step-by-step and in-depth tutorials like is this one, then don't forget to leave a subscribe. So I truly believe that you enjoyed this video and that you learned something new, but for this one, this was everything from me, and I'm going to see you in the next one.